Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add folders in OneDrive on computer. So how to add folders in OneDrive on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. Just point the cursor to the top left of the screen. Here there are several menu icons. Tap the Create or Upload menu. Now here a scrolling menu will appear, and here there are several menu options. Tap the Folder menu. Here it will appear like this. Type the name of the folder you want to create. Next tap Create. Now the process is complete. To see it, point the cursor to the left of the screen and tap the My Files menu. Now you can see here the folder that I created earlier is visible here or has been added here. So that's it, tutorial how to add folders in OneDrive on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.